So we had mirrors on our scooters that we were having a hard time navigating because no matter how you turned it, you were still basically looking at yourself. It was hard to see around you because the handlebars on the scooters are super narrow. Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about our new mirrors that we got for our helmets. We used to have them on our handlebars. That did not work out very well, so now we're going to try and put them up on the helmet and see if that helps. I believe that is probably the part number. We got them off Amazon. Good old Amazon. We love Amazon. I'm not sure what this is. I see what it is. It's a reflector for the back of your mirror. That's kind of cool. So we should put those on. Anyway, so you get a reflector. And you get the mirror. Hang on. Alright, sorry about that. I had the camera in my hand, so I was having a hard time unpackaging things. Anyway, this is the mirror. And it comes with a few, looks like 3 or 4 Velcro strips. And zip ties. Now, let me move my box. This one does not have one on it yet. I think this is my helmet.
That is your helmet.
That's my helmet. Mine's fancy. Mine's fancy and white and has racing stripes because I go really fast. And this is hubby's. So his has already got it mounted. And as you see, he chose the zip tie method, which works perfectly. And it just zip ties inside the helmet. And then there's your mirror, and it's adjustable, it's bendable. I'll show you. This whole thing bends. You can bend it here. It's very bendy. So we need to put this on his. But anyway, so these are hopefully going to work better than the other ones, because the other ones we'd literally, you'd go to look behind you and the handlebar on the scooter is so narrow that any movement at all makes the handlebar move. So you look behind you and now you're going across the trail. So we're hoping that this will be safer for everybody, not just us, but anybody that could be behind us. But anyway, I will follow this up with a video of us using them. Whenever you're ready. This is us using them. It was hard to show you how they work, but they work great. We're very happy with them.